Hi everyone, my name is Xinyi Shen. Today I'm gonna share with you about my individual project 3 of IDS 706 and a brief review about this project. It is about data pipeline with Databricks, and this project is about how to create and deploy an end-to-end data processing pipeline. It includes how to ingest raw data from a dataset and then transform the data to the processed data, and then finally run a analysis on the processed data. The dataset I used in this project is a subset of the Million Song dataset. It is a collection of features and metadata for contemporary music tracks, and it is available in the DBFS sample dataset. The first step is to create a cluster. As you can see in this screenshot of Databricks, I created the IDS 706 cluster in the Azure Databricks workspace. The second step is to create an ETL notebook in Databricks. I firstly create the extract Python notebook to ingest raw source data and write the raw data to a target variable. As you can see here, I named the raw sound data, and then write the corresponding data to it. Use the Spark. And then secondly, I create transform load Python script to transform the raw source data and write the transform data to a delta table. As you can see here, I create a delta table named prepare sounds data, and I insert raw sound data into this prepare sounds data. And finally, I created the query Python script to query the transform data and do some data visualization. Here, I also perform proper data validation check. As you can see here, if the row of the num sounds year data is larger than 0, then I will print data validation passed, and if not, I will print no data queried. And here I use Spark SQL for data transformation, ensuring correctness and efficiency. Here is another data visualization of my data. And I also use Spark SQL query to get some interesting answer to those questions, like which artists release the most songs each year, and find songs for your DJ list. And finally, I write those data table and plot to the result markdown notebook. The next step, I built a Databricks job to run the pipeline. Here, extract, transform, and query jobs were included in the sounds workflow, and it runs successfully. Finally, I automatically triggered the job. So first, I modified the makefile to add a job. It will run the Python script trigger.python script once I commit and push any new files or document to this GitHub repository. And the host name, access token, and job ID are saved in secrets in GitHub. And here is how I finish the trigger the job automatically. And finally, those results are saved in the results.markdown, and the video link is here. And also it passed the action checks here, and here is the workflow and the visualization, the results of the table